It's so important, y'all, to have an organized setup. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how to take all of those messy layers and really create something smooth and organized with Photoshop's new tool, Layer Cleanup. Let me show y'all how to use it. So I have this portrait that I took, and I have, as you guys can see, quite a bit of layers here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all where we started. This was our original portrait, and I really wanted to utilize Generative Fill and Expand to really fill up the entire frame. And so I started off with obviously expanding out the background, adding in some of those valleys in there, which I thought that was really nice. There was this little red mark that was here on the rock as well that I found distracting. So I used Generative Fill to remove that. And then I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and add some birds, because why not? Added in some more rocks, some water, I added a valley, another rock, and then I wasn't satisfied. I went back and I added more things. Now I have so many layers that need to be cleaned up. So if you look down here, you're gonna see this small little kind of like brush, almost like, looks like maybe more so like a broom essentially. And you'll see here, it's called Layer Cleanup. I'm gonna go ahead and select that. And then this is gonna pop up. But essentially you have the option to rename your layers, you have the option to delete any empty layers, etc. And then if you click here, you'll see that it has the option to apply to either your entire document or selected layers. I'm gonna do the entire document. So I'm gonna focus on renaming our layers, but you'll also see here that I do have some layers that are blank. So sometimes when we're editing, you'll find that maybe you added a layer in that you intended to do something with, you ended up not actually utilizing, and it just kind of gets lost in the sauce of it all. So I'm gonna also click on this delete empty layers. And I'm gonna go ahead and click apply, and you'll see that it is cleaning and renaming my layers. Bingo. So let's go ahead and see what it did over here. It has the add bird copy, the add bird copy 2, rock addition, and then also the different clouds, the mountain, the cloud copy. So I just really love how easily this tool can be utilized to kind of clean up your layers. As creatives, we get so into what we're doing, we're so focused into editing that it's so easy for this to get really cluttered. So I just love how this tool kind of keeps everything grouped together, organized, and clean. So that way I spend less time focusing on organizing my layers and more time focusing on creating that magic. Make sure to go ahead and check the description box below, because I have given y'all a copy of this file so you can try out this tool for yourself. And in the next episode, we're gonna be talking more about the remove tool in Photoshop and how I like to utilize it to not only clean up my photos, but to keep them looking really natural and realistic. I'll see y'all there. Bye.